Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing Chrome and your PC. Save work and close heavy tabs so the update runs smoothly. Once ready, click the three-dot menu at the top right. This gives quick access to help. Make sure you choose Help, then About Google Chrome. This automatically checks for the latest version. The browser will download updates if available. You'll see progress and version info. Monitoring this confirms the installer is running correctly before moving to the next step. Once Chrome detects an update, it downloads and verifies the files. This ensures the update isn't corrupted. You should watch the progress indicator. If it stalls, wait a few minutes because verification can take time. After download, Chrome prepares the installation and often waits for a relaunch to finalize. Make sure active work is saved. If prompted, click Relaunch Now. Chrome will reopen your tabs. This step completes the install and activates security. You finish by confirming the new version on the About page and checking that Chrome reports up to date. This verifies security fixes applied. If the update failed, first restart your PC to clear locks, then retry About Google Chrome. Often a reboot resolves file access issues. If problems persist, disable extensions and security software temporarily and attempt the update again, because some add-ons block installers. If you still can't update, consider reinstalling Chrome to replace corrupt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.